So we are back with a new video, and this time it is the recipe of ultimate choco chip cookies. It has everything that anyone can possibly ask for. It has a crisp outside and soft chewy inside, filled with lots of chocolates. At the end of the video, I will give you 3 pro tips for a perfect cookie. For that, you have to watch the entire video up to the end. So let's start. So here are the 3 pro tips of the video. Number 1. If you don't have brown sugar, you can also use caramelized sugar or gur, that is jaggery. Actually, that works much better than brown sugar. Number 2. Don't just use soft butter or slightly melted butter. You actually have to melt the butter until it turns brown. That is just before it starts burning. That is the secret of the texture of this cookie. And pro tip number 3. Please use a slight bit of coffee powder or espresso powder. That's the secret for its real flavors. So, I have given you 3 tips and this entire video. What are you waiting for? Grab your ingredients and start making cookies right now.
Hey foodies, thanks for watching. Please like and comment and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon because we come up with new videos every week.